Vibration analysis can detect problems with rotational equipment long before maintenance personnel or operators even notice that there's a problem. One of the most common problems that vibration analysis turns up is bearing wear. Misalignment contributes to about 1/3 of all the bearing failures.
Improper lubrication contributes to roughly 1/3 of bearing failures as well. Whether the lubricant's grease or oil, the proper application of OEM lubricants is essential. Over-lubrication can lead to premature bearing failures as well as under-lubrication.
Initial vibration analysis provides valuable data for baseline information to tell you where your rotating equipment's at. Subsequent vibration analysis provides the data so you can effectively schedule your predictive maintenance. HHH Tempering Resources provides these services. Give us a call if you're interested.